it's Jess from Sallie Tomato, and welcome to day 25 of our 30-day Learn to Sew challenge. In today's video, we're going to be starting our last project, which is a hanging closet organizer using my Rebecca pattern. I encourage you to make multiple to organize all the closets in your home, or for dorm room storage, craft rooms, or you could even roll it up and take it with you on extended stays. I always like to share the inspiration behind the pattern name and design with you. So for this pattern, the inspiration came from the movie Confessions of a Shopaholic. So let's get started on going over the pieces that you'll need for this project. First, select a main fabric. You'll want to choose a non-directional quilt cotton for the main panel and the pocket bottoms. Next, you'll pick a contrast fabric. This will need to be a fabric that doesn't fray, such as faux leather or cork fabric, and this will be used for the hang tab and pocket borders. You'll also need some sew-in foam, such as Bosal Inar foam or Pellon Peltex. You'll need clear vinyl, and these will be for the pocket windows. I encourage you to try our newly released frosted translucent vinyl by the yard. It's super soft and easy to sew with. And lastly, you'll need 2 invisible magnets. You can choose between either 3/4 inch round sew-in magnetic snaps or our 2-inch bar magnetic snaps, which are super strong. Both options will hold all the weight of this storage organizer, so it's up to you on whichever style that you like. The bars will definitely hold some more weight than the rounds would. I also encourage you to check out the helpful list of notions included on the back of the pattern cover. Let's start with the first section of instructions. You're going to start by positioning foam piece A on the wrong side of one main fabric piece A, which is your main panel. Make sure that all the edges are aligned and smooth out the fabric so it's even and flat. You can use basting spray and sewing clips to hold the layers together. Next, you'll baste the layers together with a 1/4 inch seam allowance around all edges of the foam. You can use a walking foot to help prevent your fabric from shifting as you sew, and if you'd like, you can quilt across or all over the piece after basting the outer edges to further secure the foam and add some extra detail. You can simply follow the pattern of the fabric or mark your own quilting lines with a removable pen or chalk. Next, we're going to prepare the pocket bottom panels. With right sides together, you'll fold each of your main fabric pieces B in half, aligning the long edges. Then sew the sides together with a 1/2 inch seam allowance. One tip is to start sewing at the raw edges and then sew down to the fold. That way your fabric doesn't shift as you sew up to the other side. After sewing, you'll turn each piece B right side out. I recommend to poke out the corners with a turning tool such as the Sallie Tomato Essential Turning and Creasing Tool. This will help for crisp corners, and the rounded edge will prevent the tool from poking through your fabric. And press at your iron. Then you'll top stitch a 1/4 inch from each side edge. Make sure you repeat for all main fabric pieces B. We accomplished a lot of prep work today, so we're going to stop here before we continue on with the next section of instructions. I hope you'll join me for tomorrow's video where we continue making this project. I'll see you then.